Hello everybody, welcome to your force and motion test. Please feel free to pause the video at any time to think about a question or to rewind if you need to hear a question or an answer choice read to you. So let's begin. Question number 1. Which of the following is true about these two pictures? A. The woman in the chair has greater potential energy. B. The woman on the chair has greater kinetic energy. C. The man on the cliff has greater potential energy. D. The man on the cliff has more kinetic energy. Question number 2. Reed, Riley, Ian, and Michael want to run a race against each other. They start on the 20-yard line of the football field and finish at the 50-yard line. The times for them to compete the race are listed in this table. Reed finished in 4 seconds, Riley finished in 5 seconds, Ian finished in 6 seconds, Michael finished in 10 seconds. Which of the boys ran the race at an average speed of 5 yards per second? Was it F, Reed, G, Riley, H, Ian, or J, Michael? Number 3, Shannon went 50 miles in 100 minutes. What was her average speed? Is it A, 0.5 miles per minute, B, 5 miles per minute, C, 2 miles per minute, or D, 0.2 miles per minute? Do not forget your calculating speed formula. Remember that your calculating speed formula for number 2 and number 3 and the rest of the speed problems, speed equals distance divided by time. Question 4, the energy related to motion is called blank energy. Is it F, potential energy, G, chemical energy, H, kinetic energy, or J, elastic energy? Question number 5. An egg is dropped from a balcony that is 32 feet from the ground. A timer on the ground indicated that it took 1 second for the egg to hit the ground after it was released. What was the speed of the egg when it hit the sidewalk? Is it A, 32 feet per second, B, 16 feet per second, C, 1 foot per second, or D, you did not have enough information about the size of the egg to answer this question? Number 6, the ball rolls down the ramp in 10 seconds. What is the speed of the ball? The ramp is 100 meters long. Is it F, 30 meters per second, G, 13 meters per second, H, 75 meters per second, or J, 10 meters per second? Question number 7. What two forces are working on this man as he skis down the hill? Is it A, inertia and friction, B, potential energy and mechanical energy, C, speed and distance, or D, gravity and friction? Friction, not fiction, friction. Question number 8. What is the greatest unbalanced force working on these men as they skydive? Is it F, gravity, G, air resistance, H, the parachute, or J, the earth? Question number 9. The energy that is stored in an object because of its position is called blank energy. Does that mean F, potential energy, G, chemical energy, H, kinetic energy, or J, elastic energy? Number 10. At what point would these balls rolling down a hill have the greatest potential energy? So does each one have the most potential energy? Does it have it F, G, or H? Where is the most potential energy? Number 11, at which point would the balls rolling downhill have the greatest kinetic energy? So which one of these shows the greatest amount of kinetic energy? Is it this one, A, this one, B, or this one, C? Number 12. Robert needed to buy a plant for his mom's Mother's Day. He left home at 6:20 p.m. and arrived at Home Depot at 6:50 p.m. He drove 30 miles. What was his speed? Is it F, 1 mile per minute, G, 0.1 miles per minute, H, 10 miles per minute, or J, 100 miles per minute? Please, 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 people, remember your speed formula. Speed equals distance divided by time. Number 13, true or false? Friction speeds things up. Number 14, true or false? Speed is time divided by distance. Seriously, this is ridiculously easy. If you get this one wrong, I don't know what to do for you. Come on now. The answer is on your test. All right, 15. A roller coaster has the most potential energy at the bottom of the first hill. Is that true or false? A roller coaster has the most potential energy at the bottom of the first hill. Number 16. An object high in the air has more potential energy than an object that is lower than it. Is that true or false? Number 17, true or false? For an object to move, the forces acting on it must be balanced. Is that true or false? Number 18, for an object to stay still, the forces acting on it must be balanced. Is that true or false? Remember balanced and unbalanced forces. We had this discussion in class. Number 19, what is the gravity doing to this rocket as it moves quickly up through the air? What is gravity doing to this thing? Is it A, that it's causing the rocket to change direction? Is it B, it's causing the rocket to speed up? Is it C, the rocket cannot move against the pull of gravity? Or is it D, it is causing the rocket to slow down? What is gravity doing to this? Remember what direction gravity pulls you. Number 20. These hot air balloons both have the same mass and the same speed. Same mass, that means they weigh the same, and the same speed. It means they're going the same speed. Which of the following is true? Is it F, they both have the same kinetic energy and the same potential energy? Is it G, they both have the same kinetic energy but different potential energy? Is it H, the blue and white balloon has more potential energy than the red balloon? Is it J, the red balloon has greater kinetic energy than the blue and white balloon? Okay, remember that you can pause here and rewind and go back to a question that you maybe skipped or didn't know right away. Rewind back to that question and listen to it read to you very carefully, and good luck. I will talk to you later. Bye.